Belzona 5721 is a two-component, high-performance coating, specifically formulated for protecting the leading edge of wind turbine blades from erosion and impact damage. In this video, we'll demonstrate an in-field, single-coat brush application onto the leading edge of 3 wind turbine blades. To begin, the original damaged leading edge protective tape was removed to allow for surface preparation. Next, the surface preparation area was defined using a suitable tape. The existing gel coat was removed using a mechanical sander and abraded back to the composite, avoiding exposing the fibres. Following the removal of the gel coat, dust and debris was removed using an appropriate solvent. For the mixing of Belzona 5721, the entire contents of the solidifier was transferred into the base container. The product was mixed thoroughly together for a minimum of 2 minutes to achieve a uniform material. Following surface preparation, the application area was defined using a suitable tape. Using a good quality long bristled brush, Belzona 5721 was applied directly onto the prepared surface at the recommended coverage rate. Due to the fast cure nature of the product, the tape was removed in sections as soon as possible after the application of the coating. A wet edge was constantly maintained, working away from the starting point. Overbrushing was also avoided to not disturb the material during cure. The material was touch dry in as little as 30 minutes. Within 6 hours of the application, a full cure was achieved, allowing the blades to return to service. For more information, visit belzona.com/5721.